All right, welcome back to box break 2 of 3 of 2018 Select. Obviously looking for popular rookies, Trey Young or Doncic. 12 packs per box, 5 packs per pack, 3 autos or mems. I think you usually get 1 auto and 2 mems. Feels like there's another pack in there. All right, let's get to it. I think this is going to be my last select for the year. McCall Bridges rookie, Paul George. Wow, there we go. Started off right. Tricolor Luka. Sorry, I'm going to have to set that down. Apologize for making you guys wait. Not that it's a crazy hit or anything, but penny sleeve it. Let her sit there. AI Slash and Dash and Jabari Parker. Hopefully so I don't knock that over. All right, Hassan Whiteside. Looks like this is our auto, so we will set that one off to the side. Sorry, I'm super stuffy still. DeMar DeRozan. Patrick Beverly. There we go. Russell Westbrook. Jeez, another one of our ones up there. That was Russell. And Jerome Robinson. All of our first packs are hits. Michael Porter Jr. rookie. Dennis Schroeder. Tim Hardaway Jr. Filler. DeMar DeRozan. Red die cut. And DeAnthony Melton. The die cut is numbered, I think, 167 or 175. Another nice card. I do really like these cards. I don't typically buy like super high-end product. I would consider this a mid-level product. So this is typically what I buy. But Grayson Allen rookie, DiVincenzo rookie, Vince Carter tricolor, Zaire Smith scope rookie. That's awesome. Anthony Simons. I think it's cool when you get like those scopes in a rookie. Obviously not the best rookie, but Gerald Green, Anthony Davis, Paul Millsap, Tyreek Evans, blue die cut. It's 132 of 249. And Kevin Durant. Alrighty then, I'm going to do that. Hey, another Luka. Jeez, what is that, number 4? I think that's number 4 base, Luka. Vince Carter. Anthony Simons. Marvin Bagley. Nice tricolor. This box has some great friggin' rookies in it. And Zaire Smith. Alright, moving on. We still have our 2 packs in the back there. LeBron base. Monty Morris rookie. Westbrook. Well. Alright, moving on. So that should be all of our stuff right there. All of our hits from the box. Moritz Wagner rookie. Alexander rookie. Wendell Carter Jr. rookie. Dante DiVincenzo scope. That's awesome. Wait. So we got, that's crazy, 2 scopes out of this box, both rookies, and a Robert Williams. I thought you were only supposed to get 1 scope, but obviously I'm wrong. All right. Robert Williams III, Zach Collins, Moritz Wagner, Vince Carter red, and a Trevor Ariza. The Vince Carter is numbered 178 of 199. I don't think so. This is box number 5 of 18 select, and I don't think I've gotten any Trae Youngs. Gilchrist, Jalen Brunson, Van Vliet, Blake Griffin. Oh, that thing's shiny. McCall Bridges. Our last pack before we go through the 3 sitting back there. They've been good to us and rookies in this box, so let's hope it continues with those cards back there. I won't pronounce his name. Embiid, Barea, Giannis. This is actually my second blue Giannis. That makes me happy. Can't complain about that. And this is numbered 177 of 299. Man, that thing's got some nasty streaks across it. At the top, it's kind of, there you go, you can see it. They have really bad quality control on the select. And that was Lillard. All right, let's take a look. What is this one? Russell Westbrook base. Steph Curry base. And we got a Derrick Rose. Probably going to be to 99, I think. Russell Westbrook. And it is 22 of 99. Cool card. We'll do our other mem, I believe. Russell Westbrook, Prism, Hollow, Silver, whatever you call it. And I think that's called, was it Spark? Wendell Carter Jr. And our last card, Marvin Bagley. Sorry, making a mess out of this. Buddy Hield, Rudy Gay, nice Bagley, and Javon Carter. I'm plagued by this guy. I think he's in everything I open, and he's usually my autos. Aaron Holiday was one of them. I got the green last time of this Javon Carter. Oh, jeez, of course. I just threw it across the room, basically. Look at how bad those streaks are on these. But 143 out of 199. We'll do a quick recap. Javon Carter. There's another card sitting back here. DeMar DeRozan, red die cut. Javon Carter, rookie auto. Wendell Carter Jr. I think it's called Sparks. Derrick Rose, 1099. Giannis, blue. Blake Griffin, hollow. Vince Carter, red. DiVincenzo, scope, which is pretty cool. Marvin Bagley, tricolor. Tyreek Evans, blue die cut. Zaire Smith, scope, rookie. And Vince Carter, tricolor. And we don't want to forget about the Luka tricolor, which actually looks like it's probably in better shape than anything else that we pulled out of that box. So be on the lookout. We have one box left, which should be coming up soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Have a great day.